Hey gang, it's Sue. I just wanted to come to you and record just a little bit about tax season. So when you are at your computer and you go to your home page, you want to go down under My Account on the left-hand side. In about, I don't know, maybe another 10 days or so, you're going to be able to come down here and print off your 1099 tax form from this year. Most likely you will not get mailed a paper copy. You're going to print it off from here because you are an independent contractor, so you need to pay your own taxes. But there are so many deductions that you can take being an independent contractor, like mileage and postage and mileage to the post office. And if you're doing virtual parties and you're practicing Facebook Live recipes, the ingredients for those. If you bought office supplies, if you've bought pens, if you bought a printer, all those type of things. If you use a part of your home for your business that is exclusive and only for Pampered Chef, then you can write off a percentage of your home. So that includes your electric and all of that. Now, I am not a tax person, so you must check with your tax attorney or a tax person. I use TurboTax for my taxes still, and they walk you through the whole set. If you're not familiar with the income and expense report here, you can go here and you can find income and expense reports from your years that you've been doing Pampered Chef. So there are different categories. I don't use this. I use an Excel spreadsheet that my husband does, but I do want to show you that one of the things that is in here is that you can go in here and you can find anytime you are paying for something for maybe, oh gosh, shipping, or you're paying for door prize or something like that. You can add categories into your income and expense here and you can pull it up. Oh, I guess I want to do this till 2018 just so that you guys can see an example of what's in it. So there are different categories that are here, and so there might be certain gifts that you give away for shipping. Maybe you purchase something for your products in your kitchen or for your kit. You're going to be able to put them in here. Product orders, when you order things, versus consultant gifts are listed here. And you can create your own categories as well. You can add an income, add an expense. You can export this information. And these are big deductions for you guys. The other thing I want you guys to know about is that when you are filling out your mileage, you need a beginning year mileage at the beginning of January and then an ending mileage at the end of December. So if you haven't taken your January mileage, you're going to want to do that and go take a peek. When you are purchasing TurboTax, you want to make sure you get the TurboTax that has a Schedule C for a 1099. It's not the regular TurboTax, it's the business one with the Schedule C. So you are an independent contractor, so you'll be able to, most of the time, you're able to write off so much information so that you're not paying taxes on all your income. Now, an important thing is when you get your 1099, do not freak out. There's going to be different boxes on there. One's going to say income, and then there's going to be a box that says other income. That is like when you earn a special, like the tumbler this month, or if you earn a free product, or if you earned an incentive trip or something like that. That's going to be in the other income category. Almost everything in that other income category you can write off because those are products that you are using either to advertise your business, like a logo shirt or a logo cup or whatever, or it's a product that you're using in your business to demo. So those are write-offs. So don't freak out when you see that item as well, because most of those are deductible. Incentive trips, I do not write off my incentive trip because it is not a business-related trip. Even though we do business on the trip, none of it is required, but some consultants write off half their trip. So you need to consult a tax attorney if you're going to do that yourself. Again, if you own your own office and you use it exclusively for Pampered Chef, you definitely want to do that. And you can search our Team Incredibles page for tax info. And there's a whole list from previous years of things that you were able to deduct. Now, keep in mind, taxes change every year, and I am not a tax attorney, so this is not tax advice. This is just telling you what I've been doing over the years. So I hope this helps. TurboTax will walk you through it. There is an Excel spreadsheet that you can use to start tracking your mileage and your office expenses and your postage, etc. And if you have questions, do a little search. Thanks, everyone.